It's an honor and privilege to welcome you to my channel. We are in section Virtue, chapter 2, The Excellence of Rain, couplet 17. Nature of the mighty oceans will change and would fail to generate resources if rain does not shower over the vast oceans. We could clearly see how the poet is precipitating immense knowledge in this couplet. We know that approximately 90% of all rains fall over oceans. Rains directly affects the ocean's density, salinity, and the ocean currents. Ocean currents regulate the temperature distributions across the globe. The ocean currents are required for life to thrive along with other precious objects like pearls, corals, and other valuable minerals. The oceans are filled with innumerable riches and is home to millions of species. Their health is dependent on biodiversity, which is affected greatly by climate changes due to ocean currents being disturbed when rainfall is absent. This alters abundance, diversity, distribution, including the feeding, development, and breeding, as well as interspecies relationships. Approximately 90% of cloud formations are due to evaporation of water from oceans, and most of the rain falls back over the oceans at different locations and at different times to preserve and maintain equilibrium in nature. Thus, to preserve and maintain a good society, one is expected to give back what was taken from the society, like the rains that give back to the mighty oceans. Thus, the poet, metaphorically in this couplet, guides one how to be responsible and what are the duties of an individual in a society.